Hey, what's up, everybody? So it is currently Saturday and it is 9:36 a.m. We are almost ready for this drop of the Air Jordan 4 Pink Orchid Pink, whatever you want to call it, these pink things. And man, I'm not sure how these things are gonna do, but I'm gonna go for them for my daughter. And they don't go in extended sizes, anything like that. But these are the stock numbers that I'm getting, as you guys can see right here. It is not many pairs out there. Before we get up into this content, man, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, as we take a look at I have my laptop and stuff set up. So I have the Finish Line app right here. Already loaded up, which that's not going to drop until exactly 10 a.m. Eastern time. And then we have the sneakers app right here, and we got the Wu-Tang joints there. And then these are the sneakers, and honestly, $215, bruh. It is Orchid. That's the official name. $215. I don't know. We're gonna see what happens. I do feel like this is a dope sneaker. I passed on the UNCs. They remind me of the UNCs, but I passed on the UNCs because they just too furry. And the same thing to me for this one is that it's just too furry. But I do think my daughter would absolutely love this. You know, her birthday's coming up in December, so this would be a good early B-Day present. You feel what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and see what it does and what it do when it comes to actually trying to cop these things. I'm gonna set this camera right here. And then we're going to come back and see if your boy was able to cop them. All right, so as you guys can see right here is 9:57. We're going to try on the cell phone as well on the sneakers app. You guys see it says coming soon right there. So I'm really not sure what exactly these sneakers are going to do. I got sneakers app here on the phone. I got it right here, and then I got the other websites right here. So hopefully I'm able to secure something. My brother wants a size 12 in women, which is a 10.5 in men. So I'm gonna try to go for different sizes. We're gonna see, man. Y'all wish me luck. So I was having the hardest time trying to get on my laptop, so my desktop. So I was able to submit on my phone. We'll see what happens. It just says pending right now. So y'all let me know down in the comment section if y'all getting dubs. It's currently 10:03, so it's 3 minutes after. So y'all let me know. All right, y'all. That was a bust. Wasn't able to secure anything online, but I am on my way to Finish Line actually, or JD Sports here, because they took away Finish Line, to pick up a pair of these things. So I want to show you guys what they look like in hand, and if they really worth the $215. That's a lot, man. That's a lot. But hey, let's check these things out. Let go. All right, y'all, so heading into the mall to try to cop these things real quick. We're gonna pick up this pair, do a little b-roll while I'm in here, and then we'll come back out and I'll show you guys the actual sneaker. All right, y'all, bag secured. We're gonna get out this mall and open these things up so y'all can see what it do. All right, y'all, so real quick, y'all see the JD sack right here, this bag. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out. Shout out to JD Sports, Finish Line. Like I said, they always give you exclusive access. You have your typical Jordan 4 box, the flight right there, red Jumpman logo, Spickles back on the side. Here's the price tag. Let me take this off so you won't see my government. Here's the size tag and all that stuff if you want to legit check. 8.5 right here. This is a female exclusive. We're gonna open up this paper, and as you guys can see, we do have the Air Jordan 4 Pink Orchid. These things, in my opinion, I like them. I think they were executed very well. But as you guys can see, they super furry, and that furry print on these things is kind of a little bit much for me. I think someone young, like my daughter's age and stuff like that, this would be dope. But I know a lot of you guys in that extended sizes, y'all wanted these things. But just kind of show you guys a quick overview of them. As you guys can see, predominantly pink upper, Spickles backer right there. It looks just like the UNC 4s on the bottom. As you guys can see right there, you got hints of pink and that black, silver, gray, or what, a tech gray or whatever on the back end. You do not have the Nike Air brand, and you have the Jumpman logo, which is cool, like I said. But on the inner side of the shoe, that's what it looked like. They do give you these black laces that do come with them as well. And I feel like that just makes them, don't you think that'll make them look like darker? Like, I feel like that's not too good of a vibe. Maybe some white laces or gray laces would be dope. But all in all, super clean sneaker. Y'all comment down below and let me know. Did y'all go after these things? What y'all think they're going to do resale? I just want to give y'all a kind of a quick look at them. I will be doing an on feet look and all that stuff of them, more detailed review for you guys. But just to show you guys what they actually look like, the Air Jordan 4 Pink Orchid things, man. Y'all let me know. Hey, I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all know the saying, man, rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Gone.